Okay, Kari, what aspects do you remember of the IELTS video for this session? Was to what? Okay. Okay, I have a question for you, a very specific question. Two questions. What are tricky questions, and what does the person say when he says by the time, by time? Yes. Okay, in the video, the person says that you need to buy time. What is that? Okay, very good. And what are tricky questions? Okay, very good, Karime. You did the homework very well. Okay, Preciosa, now we are going to practice. I'm going to share my screen with you. We are going to practice a question that you heard maybe in the video, which is celebrations. Yes? So, Mikari, we have this. Describe a special occasion in your life. Where did it take place? When did it take place? Who was there? Explain your feelings on this occasion. I'm going to give you a set of follow-up questions. You have 1 minute to prepare your answers. Can you see my screen? And now, can you see it? Okay, so you are going to have 1 minute. 1 minute to think about the answers, and then you are going to speak for 3 minutes. Yes? Now, please. Yes. 3 minutes, remember.